Hope you all sing along with this. Maybe you'll know it, maybe you won't. I come from down in the valley where mister, when you're young, they bring you up to do like your daddy's done. Me and Mary, we met in high school when she was just 17. We drive out of this valley down to where the fields are green. We go down to the river, and into the river we dive. Whoa, down to the river we ride. Then I got Mary pregnant, and man, that was all she wrote. And for my 19th birthday, got a union card and a wedding coat. We went down to the courthouse, and the judge put it all to rest. The wedding day smiles, the walk down the aisle, no flowers, no wedding dress. That night we went down to the river, and into the river we dive. Whoa, down to the river we did ride. I got a job working construction for the Johnstown Company. But lately there ain't been much work on account of the economy. Now all them things that seem so important, well, mister, they vanish right into the air. Now I just act like I don't remember. Mary acts like she don't care. But I remember us riding in my brother's car. Her body tan went down by the reservoir. At night on the backside, I lie awake, all at lost just to feel each breath she take. Now the memories come back to haunt me. They haunt me like a curse. Is a dream a lie if it don't come true? Or is it something worse that sends me down to the river? Though I know the river is dry. Whoa, down to the river tonight. Down to the river, my baby and I. Whoa, down to the river we did ride.